ArborMetrics Solutions is a company that provides right-of-way or vegetation management services for electric and gas utilities.
We are a company of foresters and arborists. We assess vegetation conditions, we plan work, we notify property owners of work to be done. We take all this information, we put it into our application and deliver it back to our customer. ArborMetrics Solutions focuses on mobility in the workforce. We want to be connected. We want a ruggedized device in the field to help us do our job. Our technology solution is Panasonic Toughbook. We have Verizon Wireless mobile broadband built in to give us connectivity. That combination allows our guys to be more productive in the field.
I'm a utility arborist for ArborMetrics Solutions. A typical day for me would start on a right-of-way. I would patrol the entire right-of-way from the substation to the other substation. I'm responsible for identifying hazard trees within the right-of-way, brush, any item that may be encroaching into the easement. I'm also responsible for contacting a homeowner, contacting any local government, handling any permitting issues that may come up. Once I've identified the hazards within the right-of-way or the items that need to be controlled, I then report the information back to the tree crews. Once the tree crews have finished with the work, I'm responsible for doing quality control to ensure that all that work has been complete.
Our field employees work all over North America, from the mountains and the Cascades to the frigid tundra in Alberta, Canada, humid, hot tropical regions like in South Florida. So wetlands, also work in dense urban areas, so they work in all environments.
Early on, Panasonic sat down with us and said, these are all the possibilities. Let's look at what you do, get you what you need. We have business rugged for our management team. We have a fully rugged for the bulk of our work source, an ultra mobile rugged solution for selected off-road projects where we're driving quads, four-wheelers, snowmobiles. Two key things we evaluated when we were selecting Verizon as our partner. Their coverage is so good, and that enables us to work most anywhere in the U.S. and be connected. And we know that by sending and receiving information with our customers that it is secure.
The combination of Panasonic Toughbook and Verizon Wireless has improved our operations. We're working in very extreme conditions, in heat, cold, and rain, and we also need a reliable wireless carrier that enables us to connect to our operations.
Most of my day is spent working on my computer, and that's not necessarily in my vehicle, but out in the right-of-way, out in the field. When I have the CF-19 with me out in these conditions, I'm not worried about it getting wet, I'm not worried about it getting muddy. I can focus on my job and not have to worry about the reliability of my equipment. And having the Verizon mobile broadband built in has allowed me to stay connected in some of the most rural areas. Walking through the field, having the CF-19 in my hand has saved me quite a bit of time. Having the connection in these rural areas has greatly improved my efficiency.
Our phones and our mobile broadband built in as a complete solution with one company enables us to keep our costs competitive, but yet have the best service and coverage possible. The Panasonic Toughbook and the Verizon Wireless broadband built in is the complete solution for ArborMetrics. It works consistently. It separates us from our competition.